had to stop. They are being run around circles by Pepe. I know what we were doing there might have seemed completely alien to some watching. Alright, packages. Mealtime. This thing. I only got it, you know, we have this gun. But all I really need is this extension here. So now I got it. I was hoping it was slimmer so I could work with it. With the soda blaster setup. The nozzle is big. But maybe it might do the trick. Just need a longer nozzle. So, you know, that's my life out here. This thing came all the way from England. You know, the simplest stuff I have it travel halfway around the world to get here. Sweet. It's a bit dark. What we got here is going to be the switch. Probably the spotlights. Now this is going to be shot in the dark. These are one of those eBay ones. China made, as is a lot of stuff. Now if you get a proper brand one, they're easily $200, but here we are. Right out of the box. They have a bit of weight. The light feels hard at the front. The cover could be aluminium. Feels sturdy. To be honest, not that bad actually. They're smaller too, I'm happy. I didn't want these big intrusive spotlights, but I'm impressed so far. I expected a much worse quality product. Look at the size. This is perfect. I'm thinking of when you have the forks and then the crash bars come inside, put one there and there, and it's not intrusive. The real test, of course, comes when they're on the bike. Oh, big little box. Little box from Deutschland. Hello. Right. Regulator. Second hand. Should be original. Looks original. Mine got fried, as I explained once before, in Australia on the west coast, just before Geraldton. The fella there helped me out and sorted me with an alternator from his old '85 BMW that I've been running ever since. And I wasn't going to get one, but then I saw it online, pretty good price, and I figured, why not? You know, so I'll put this one in, back to original, and the other one I can keep as a backup. I remember he told me, like, okay, I'm making this, but be sure to replace it at some point, sooner than later. And then I still did like 20,000 Ks with the thing. That's it for now. Back to work, and I'm going to start doing what I've been dreading, and I guess I'm going to do it properly, mostly with the wire wheel again, and that's removing the rust again. Yes, it is that time. So I'm just having breakfast here, and the bird flies in from the hallway. And I think his buddy's waiting outside. Over there. Came flying to the window earlier. Come on, bud. There you go. See ya. Flies to this corner. Should have all the freedom to maneuver here properly. Yeah, so this has to be one of the stupidest things so far during this project. Leaving all these things out in an open shed, uncovered, while you can literally hear the ocean at night when you're in bed. Something else that I didn't do too smart about this project, which I haven't told you guys yet, but first get some work done, and I'll let you know later. It's not that the wire wheels I still have are that great, but they should do the trick for now. And just look at this. Start with something simple, get into it. Christening of device. There's a lot of flex in the rubber boots. So I can do this still. Look at that. That's the future right there. I like this vise already. Right, that's one. Only heaps to go. Alright, you tell me if this isn't bloody brilliant. Look at that. So there's only one thing off, and I can't help it. Just keep noticing it. So it's attached with an Allen screw, whatever, into this ball here. But the screw can be tightened because, as you can see, there's a bit of flexibility. So you push and it does that. It's minor, but it's there. Problem is, I can't get there with the Allen key. I can't pull this one out. Give it a few whacks. I cannot. Let's see if I can just use zip ties. See if this works. Just hook into the other zip tie. Nope. So I'll just have to learn and live with it. I guess zip ties only work on a motorcycle. This is more scratchy than brushy. Yes, I don't have to undo it from the vise again. I can just flip it around, just like that. And how good is that? A little wet sanding on the rusty inside here. Real good work. Booty for today. That's most of it. Eat, sleep, remove rust, repeat. Let's try not to do all of that again. So that's why it's all going into my room. Yes, sir, how can I help you? One portion of Transalp parts coming right up. Need to find a cover so I can wrap these up just like I did with the tank. I checked the tank yesterday. It's looking alright, no new rust. Still wrapped in a nice warm blanket. Seems to be doing alright. Nice to have this out of the way.